Welcome to my channel. Today I learn name, colors, number counting, sizes, small to biggest. Small, big, bigger, biggest. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Small, funny car. White color, funny car. White color, how are you? Here I am, how do you do? White color, funny car. Bye bye. Big, handsaw. Green color, handsaw. Toy handsaw. Wow, it's funny handsaw. Wow, plastic toy handsaw. Bye bye. Bigger, toy seaboat. Orange color toy seaboat. Wow, amazing toy seaboat. Bye bye. Biggest truck. Red color truck. Wow. Four-wheeler truck. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Four-wheeler truck. Plastic toy truck. Really toy truck. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.